All right, guys, welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1955 Chevy Bel Air. It's got a built 350 under the hood, electric fans in the front. Pretty nice looking setup under the hood here, aluminum heads. Drum brakes all the way around on this one. A nice set of wheels, a great paint job. Anything that I find on this car you're gonna know about. That's why we do these videos. I want you to know everything about this car before you drive down here to purchase it. Whenever I get done with this video, we're gonna go for a test drive and point out all the running and driving flaws. I went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood, so I'm not flipping the camera around. If you don't mind, hit up maplemotors.com. I got financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, and yeah, I could ship this anywhere in the country. You can see all of our inventory at that website as well. Hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single day. We buy cars like this every day. We're gonna start up here in the front, kind of go over the front end, check the bumper out. It looks like it's in good shape. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit better in the front there where the tag goes. That shouldn't be an issue there. The grille and the headlight bezels are in great shape. Like I said, the dual fans in the front is nice to have. Looking down the side of the car, it looks pretty straight. A little bit of a wave in the bottom of that door there. I'll show you that when we get closer to it. Tires on this thing are like new. There's a touch-up mark in the corner here. I'll end up shutting the hood and the trunk before I end the video. Thought that was a spot on the window. It's not. It's just some dirt. The trim around the windows is in great shape. It looks nice. There is a bubble at the bottom of this door. A little bit of rust coming back through. And the door lines up pretty good. Most everything's looking pretty nice down the rest of it. That little spot in the door I was talking about is right around this rust. It was right in here. It's hard to show up on camera, but you can barely even see it in person. It just looks like a blemish in the paint job. Mirrors have been replaced. Door handles are new. Package tray looks nice. We're gonna get to the interior here in a moment. Back bumper's nice and clean looking. It's not all scratched up, scarred up. Car looks pretty good down this side. Trunk's got carpet in it, spare tire. I don't think it's glued down. You can see up under it. Go ahead and set the carpet back in there. I'm making a mess, guys. Insulation's still in the deck lid there. Weather stripping feels good. Let's go ahead and shut the trunk down, see how it lines up. It shuts fairly easy. It doesn't line up good. It's sitting real high. The trunk's gonna have to be adjusted. It needs to be down and in. Definitely shut good, but like I said, that needs to go down. It was dry in there, surprisingly. We've had a lot of rain the last couple days. Looking down this side of the car here. There's a little dent in the trim. Door's kind of hanging a little bit on the bottom. It's got some imperfections, some paint runs below it. Same spot as the passenger side. There's a bubble coming through on the driver's side. Got a few dents in the trim. Let's check the interior out. Door panel actually looks pretty good. It's got a few scars up here on top. Some paint chips. Weather stripping around, it's already been replaced. You can see where they've been winding that up. Carpet doesn't look too bad. It's got some mats, nice seats. Headliner's nice and straight. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? There's actually a button here. Majority of the time that is going to be for the horn. Got the fuzzy dice, floor shifter, aftermarket gauges. Everything's chrome in here. Do got an external switch below the dash on this side for your electric fans. I would just leave them on, because as soon as you cut the ignition on, they'll cut on with the car. They're on right now. This is your ignition switch at the bottom. It's a kill switch. Turn the key. She starts up nice. Pretty mean sounding cam. Got a radio in it. Sounds like we just got one speaker. It's not very loud. Gas gauge is up above half a tank. We'll be checking that on the test drive. Blower motor does not work. Let's try our windshield wipers. That switch kind of feels bad. It just keeps spinning. Horn wise, no horn there. Horn does not work on this one. The tach's not hooked up either. Exhaust sounds awesome. Comes down nice and easy. It's all the way down now. Should be a pretty good test drive. If you haven't checked them out before, definitely watch a test drive on this car. We're gonna try to get down with it. Give you some undercarriage shots. We'll start from the back this time. guys, I do appreciate you watching. Please check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. You can see all of our inventory and detailed pictures of every car on the lot on that website. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. We're getting ready to go for a test drive and take this thing down the road. I appreciate you watching, and thanks again, guys. Test drive videos loaded in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen right now, so definitely check it out.